Okay, this is Renee Hobbs. I'm going to try to demonstrate how to log in with your into your Notion account and edit the pages on our wiki. Up here in the right corner, you see a button that says Notion. Click on that, and then you can continue with your URI email. In this case, I'm using my Media Education Lab email because that's the guest account I've created to pretend that I'm a student here. And it just says, we sent you a temporary login code. So I'll just go to my, sorry. No. Back. Don't, that's, yeah, that's. Okay. So I do look up here and I see how Google has organized my emails into categories, and I see something that says Notion. There's my temporary Notion login. Gage Golf Po The. So I'll copy that. And I'll go back to Notion, paste the login code here, continue with the login code. What's kind of cool is that Notion gives me a page for my own notes. It's essentially created a little account for me, you know, with look at my reading list, my task list, my journal, my travel planner, right? But now I want to try to get back to the Notion, the page for the class. So I'll just retype in the see, Notion is so smart, it just remembers everything, right? And now nope, that's not the code I want. What's the one I want? I want the one that says Propaganda 2020 / Propaganda 2020. Beautiful. Now I think I am logged in. Let's just see about that. Yes, it looks like I am logged in. I have my little account there. So I'm going to go to, well, let's start with the participants. I'll go to the participants page. And now I'm going to see if I can add myself as a participant, right? So I'll click on this empty space, open as page, right? And I'll open it as a page. And now I should be able to change my name, right? My student name, Nene. And I can add my student email. And to add a photo, I go up here, it says I change the cover, and then I go look for my photo, right? So I can choose my photo. Oh, that's not me. Nope, that's not me, but I'll put that one in anyway. We'll call that Igor. We'll change it to Igor. That's my friend Igor. I know, really. Can you believe it? That's his name, really? Igor K. And now he's registered as a student, right? And so if I go back to the main page and back to participants, you see Igor shows up very beautifully there. Let's just say I want to go back and work on the media. I want to watch one of those cool videos that's on this media gallery, right? There's just so many interesting ones to choose from. I'm going down here to the one I put in just recently because it's so interesting. When algorithms discriminate, right? And now after I watch this video, it says this video explains how values and biases are embedded in algorithms. What did you learn from watching this video? I open up comments below, and you see how it's got a plus, and then it's got a bunch of dots. I can start typing here. And then if I want, I can move it up or down. That's kind of cool. But let's say I want to do other things. I can add a plus, and then I can do a whole bunch of other things. I can change it to a bullet list, a toggle list. I can create a table, I can add a video, I can add an image, I can add all kinds of things. Isn't that real? Even a map, oh my God. So, but basically, that's really how you edit a page. I hope this has been a useful tutorial, and yeah, can't wait to hear your thoughts as you take a look at one of these videos and comment on it. Thanks, bye.